Collecting counters for performance management requires a lot of processing power in the radio access network nodes. As we introduce new features or functionality to the network, we need more and more counters to allow us to monitor the performance. Collecting more counters in the radio access network increases the processing load in the eNodeB and gNodeB. The event-based statistics L for LTE and N for new radio reduces this processing requirement by using the Ericsson Network Manager ENM to create counters from cell trace events collected by the eNodeB and gNodeB. These events may be collected in report output period ROP files or streamed directly from the eNodeB and gNodeB to the ENM. The counters created by the event-based statistics application are made available on the northbound interface, where they may be used by Ericsson Network IQ Statistics ENIC or a similar third-party performance management tool. Let's look at an example of how event-based statistics is used for 5G new radio NR. To minimize the processing requirement, the handover counters collected by the gNodeB make no distinction between intra and interfrequency handover or cell relation. As you can see in this example, we just have one counter collected by the gNodeB to measure handover execution success rate for inter-gNodeB handover measured at the NR cell CU level. By utilizing the CU-CP proc NR handover XE out cell trace event collected by the gNodeB, the event-based statistics new radio application can produce extra counters that make distinction between intra and interfrequency handover and NR cell relation. These and other counters created by the event-based statistics new radio application greatly improve the performance observability of the 5G radio access network without increasing the processing load on the gNodeB. The 5G RAN NR Performance Management course explains event-based statistics for new radio and gives students the opportunity to create EBS-N traces using ENM and see example EBS counter values from live 5G networks.